What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Merry Christmas to everybody and all to the friends. So I know I wasn't gonna post this video, but look what but right now, guys, I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas. Boom, the new P5 along with my new controller, a red one, and along with new other accessories, which would be this right here, an icon light, and a new charger. I'm truly excited right now, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to set this up right now on my big TV. So yeah, give me a minute. Oh my God. I gotta find somewhere to put this. Let's open it. I think I was gonna get one, dude, but my wife got me one. I love the fresh smell of new things. Also, this is the God of War version. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, and it comes with the directions, manual. This is what I was looking for. Oh, yeah. They gave me a USB cord. I'll check out the controller. I got two controllers. I got the white one and I got a red one. Red and white. You guys can't see that. Red and white controllers. Let's see what else we got in this bad boy. Sorry, it took me a minute for that. Oh, and it gave me a cord for the nip for the new controllers charging. Oh, and here's the console. Oh, I like how it slides out so smooth. Box. Oh, and they gave you a promo code with the God of War to get the game. Oh, now for the grand finale. Oh, you guys gotta check this out. I'm gonna keep all the plastic and stuff because it is gorgeous. And I love the smell of new things. My wife just came in. There it is. The PlayStation 5. Also, with the disc as well. It's better if you guys just do disc. It's better if you guys just do the disc, you know? It's gorgeous. Oh yeah, hold on, no fingerprints, please. Of course, we're gonna maybe go through manuals. All right, let's get it working. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And it goes right back onto the TV. Like it's just... Guys, it is... It's like heaven. Oh. Setup is completely great. Here's this. It's gorgeous.
Now clean it every now and then.
Yes, I have to clean it every now and then. We're gonna start with the red one first, guys.
Connect your controller to the console with the USB cable and press the PS button. Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS. Select your language.
English.
Continue with the screen reader turned on.
Continue to stream.
Continue. Open.
Thing, I don't know. So I'm gonna have it set up like this, you guys. This is how I'm gonna have my P5 set up. I have the plastic right here because I don't want to get it dirty and I don't want to get it broken. Plus, it's barely on the edge right there. If you guys can see it right there. So this is how it's gonna be set up just for now. I just wanted to set up like that. But hey, while it's setting up, why don't we dig into other things? So I got this. They got me this. My wife got me this right here. It's a LED light. It's gonna look awesome. I think I'm gonna put it above my TV. I'm gonna have it connected to my P5. But yeah, let's check this out, man. Oh, this is cool. This is what it looks like. Yeah, my wife got me this. Oh yeah. Oh shit. I think I just. Oh no, it comes on. Oh. That's cool. That is cool. That's awesome. Oh no, and it gets batteries too. Oh wow. Let's try it. Or you can also do a USB cord, which I think I have one. Let's see if I have one. I know I probably do. Oh, it says please wait. It's restarting my P5 right now, so let it do its thing. And then the light on this thing should be looking pretty good. But also they come off too, apparently. cool. All right, it's installing right now. All right, let it do its stalling real quick. It's gonna restart it. Also, they gave me a mat. It's for my my controllers, so it could just set them down. Gotta figure it out. All right, it says installing. Who reads the manual? Oh. So what it is that this is for it. This is for it so it can lay down. You put it on its side and you can lay it down like this, which I'm probably gonna have to do, but I think I'm gonna move my my TV down a little bit more so I don't, you know, break it. Yeah, my TV has hell of room. Now my P5 has room now. Okay, good. Good. Right now, let's just press that. So you guys, I'm just gonna like fast forward all this stuff. It's just me going through all of the PlayStation stuff inside of it, so I can just get you to the main part right now, guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward this part for you guys because I know it's gonna be a long video. Just to let you guys know. So what's up, you guys? Back again. I'm sorry I had to reset everything, but yep, this is my P5. Yes, I also have the console where you can do the games. People say if you do the games with the disc, it's way better, and on top of that you guys can get like free games could return and everything. But if you did have this, you do not get any games returned, so I'm letting you guys know that right now. This is also my charging station right here for my other one. This is my light right here. It also does the music and also to the beat of any game I'm playing. When I'm playing Battlefield 2024, that's what I'm playing right now, and my Lego set. But we'll get into that later right there. We'll get into all that later. Right now, I am playing on right now the red one. The red one's pretty damn sick. I really like this one. It's one of my favorite ones. My wife got it for me for Christmas. It also came with that. But also, I'm going to show you guys right here the... like, see right here, if you press this button, basically this is the end of the menu. This is where you're going to shut your game off, your controller, your account. That's me if anybody's looking for me. That's my username if you guys are looking me up. Also, here I'm going to take you guys to the main menu right here. Alright, so this is the main menu right now. Fortunately, I told you I'm playing Battlefield 2042. I'm playing that right now. But this is the main menu. Plus, I didn't just notice on the PlayStation 5, you can't change your background. On the wallpapers or themes, you can't do any of that kind of stuff. And also, when I first started playing, you know, turning this on and playing it, I was like, whoa, dude, like, this fucking, well, excuse my language, basically this P5 is weird, man. Like, it's different from the PlayStation 4. So I was like, wow. Then I started downloading my old games. Plus, if you want to do your old games, you have to re-download them. Or if you are pretty cool, you can really download, basically, Like right here, it says use this P5 and connect to console to P4, P5. And you can do that by also doing that by scanning the barcode and everything on an iOS phone. Also, God of War right here comes with this package, which you guys can see it's right down there. God of War comes with it. Basically, it's the end version of the story. It's actually really cool. And also everything else right here. It's actually really tight, man. I like the way it starts up. I like the way it does, though, right now. Plus, the graphics on this thing is unbelievable. Plus, it all depends on what type of TV you guys got, what TV, whatever TV you're rocking with. This, I'm rocking a Samsung 75-inch TV, flat screen, 75-inch. It's gorgeous. Also, I'm playing Far Cry Primal. It's an old game, which I pretty much already know what you guys are gonna say. But hey, the Far Cry game, this Far Cry game and graphics is unbelievable. I know this is already out, but it's still brand new to me. I really like this story mode right here. Plus, I'm into story mode games, guys. Games that are very good with story mode, I'm very much into it. But if I go online like Call of Duty or whatever games, I will do all that fun stuff. But right here, I'm mostly into Far Cry 6. Like the story mode on this is really good, and God of War is very good. 90% I tell people you guys should play this. But yeah. But mostly you guys, though, you guys should understand that, that not everybody can get one of these. Which I truly understand. I'll put that as a side note that not everybody can get one of these. Not everyone can. But hey, if you work hard, you can accomplish anything. That's my theory. If you work really hard, you guys can get one of these. A lot of people saying these are not cheap. They're very expensive. Totally understand, But hey, for the young kids out there, if you work really hard, you can get one of these and you can, play online. You can have fun. But yeah, mostly though, this is the PlayStation set right here. This is what it is right here. This is what I play on. But yeah, if you guys totally follow me on that. But yeah, I just wanted to show this video to you guys and also wrap this video up on my P5. I told you I was dropping a video for my Christmas and the things I got. Also things I got, I just wanted to show you guys is my headset station. So this is the headsets I'm rocking with right here as well. I rock those right there. But yeah, the red controller is what's up. I like this red controller. Dude, it's the best one. Also, the lights my wife got me with everything. The charging station is awesome. And the P5, I had it set like this for a reason. Also, this is how you turn it on down here. And you can't see the black buttons, but that's how you turn it on. And that's also you eject any of the games that you buy. It's all right there. But yeah, man, this is the P5, man. The big thing everybody's been waiting for. It's really tight. The everything in here is really damn good. Plus, Modern Warfare is out right now. It's also pretty good. Everybody's playing it. The new FIFA game is really good. Just whatever you guys want to rock, But, yeah. But, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video, though. But thank you guys so much, for watching the video. And also to my followers, I love you guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful Merry Christmas. And also a Happy New Year, which is coming up really soon. So, yes, you guys have a great, great day. And, yeah, like and subscribe if you want. Thank you very much. And see you later, guys.